Do you sometimes feel like your legs aren't as strong as they used to be, like they're giving out, even during simple walks or while climbing stairs? You're not alone. After the age of 60, muscle loss becomes very common, affecting nearly half of older adults. But here's the good news. There are 3 natural juices that can help you rebuild muscle strength, improve blood flow, reduce inflammation, and make walking and moving so much easier, all without heavy medications or exhausting exercise routines. In the next few minutes, let's explore these juices, how they work, and easy ways to make them part of your daily life. Why muscle weakness happens after 60. As we grow older, our muscles naturally lose strength and size, a condition known as sarcopenia. This can lead to fatigue, poor balance, joint pain, and even a higher risk of falls. Often, the first signs are subtle: tired legs during walks, stiffness when standing, or shaking when climbing stairs. The great news is that muscle strength can be restored with the right nutrition and daily habits, and that's where these juices come in. Juice number 1, beetroot juice. The circulation booster beetroot juice is one of the best drinks for aging muscles. It's rich in nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide, a natural compound that relaxes and opens blood vessels, allowing more oxygen and nutrients to reach your muscles. As we age, circulation slows down, making every step or climb feel more tiring. Drinking beet juice improves blood flow, boosts energy during activity, and helps muscles recover faster. Research shows that older adults who drink beet juice often walk longer distances and feel less fatigue. Some even find that everyday activities, like gardening or shopping, feel much easier. Beetroot also contains betalains, powerful antioxidants that lower inflammation and protect muscle fibers from damage. This means less soreness and stiffness after walking, light exercise, or even housework. How to use it? Start with half a glass, about 125 milliliters every other day. If your body tolerates it well, increase to a full small glass a few times a week. One harmless side effect to note is that it can make your urine or stool slightly red, nothing to worry about. If you have kidney stones or take blood pressure medications, talk to a healthcare professional first, as beet juice can lower blood pressure. Juice number 2, pomegranate juice. The recovery shield. Next is pomegranate juice, a deep red fruit juice loaded with polyphenols, natural antioxidants that protect and repair muscle tissue. As we age, inflammation and oxidative stress increase, speeding up muscle loss and making joints stiff or sore. Pomegranate juice helps fight these effects. Studies show that people who drink pomegranate juice after activity experience less muscle soreness, faster recovery, and better strength over time. It also supports heart and blood vessel health, improving blood flow to muscles and helping them function more efficiently. For those dealing with arthritis or stiff joints, pomegranate may help reduce inflammation and improve mobility. How to use it? Drink half to 1 small glass, 150 to 250 milliliters of pure, unsweetened pomegranate juice daily. Avoid blends mixed with other sugary juices. If the taste is strong, mix it with water or add it to a smoothie. While it's safe for most people, those on certain medications, especially for cholesterol or blood pressure, should check for interactions. People with diabetes should monitor blood sugar, but moderate amounts are usually safe. Juice number 3, pineapple juice. The inflammation soother. Finally, pineapple juice. This tropical favorite contains bromelain, a natural enzyme known for reducing inflammation and easing pain in muscles and joints. For older adults with knee pain, sore legs, or stiffness after light activity, pineapple juice can make a noticeable difference. It doesn't just mask discomfort, it helps calm the inflammation causing it. It's also high in vitamin C and manganese, two nutrients essential for strong muscles, ligaments, and bones. Together, these help keep your legs stable and your joints flexible. How to use it? A small glass, 150 to 200 milliliters a day or a few times a week is enough. Too much can upset the stomach, so moderation is key. For those worried about sugar, pair it with protein or fiber, like a handful of nuts, to help balance blood sugar. If you're on blood thinners or have reflux, start with small amounts and see how your body reacts. Fresh pineapple juice is best for maximum bromelain content, but store-bought juice still provides great benefits. The power of small daily habits. What makes these juices truly effective is consistency. One glass won't change your health overnight, but making them a regular habit can improve circulation, reduce stiffness, and support steady strength over time. Think of it this way: pain and weakness often lead to less movement. Less movement speeds up muscle loss, creating a frustrating cycle. By reducing pain and improving energy naturally, these juices make it easier to keep moving, and movement is what truly builds strength and independence. Simple ways to add them to your day: start your morning with a glass of beet or pomegranate juice. Enjoy pineapple juice in the afternoon as a light, refreshing drink. Add any of these juices to smoothies for a nutrient-packed boost. Rotate between the three juices during the week for a balance of benefits. Safety tips to remember: always choose 100% pure juice, not sugary blends. Start with smaller amounts and increase gradually. Check for possible interactions if you're taking blood pressure, blood thinner, or cholesterol medications. If you have kidney stones, diabetes, or reflux, adjust portions to what feels right for your body. Stronger, healthier legs. Naturally, beetroot improves blood flow, pomegranate reduces muscle damage and supports recovery, and pineapple soothes inflammation while strengthening connective tissue. Together, these juices form a natural, science-backed approach to staying strong, steady, and active well into your 60s, 70s, and beyond. Aging doesn't have to mean losing strength or independence. Small, daily choices, like adding these juices to your routine, can help you stay mobile and confident. So tomorrow, when you're choosing a drink, consider one of these three. Each glass is more than just refreshment. It's a step toward better circulation, stronger muscles, and a healthier, more active life. Because aging well isn't just about adding years, it's about adding life to those years.